Good morning, children. Children, today we will start our new lesson, Samira's Awful Lunch. Children, do you love your lunch? Are you eagerly waiting in your during your tiffin time to have your lunch? What will you prefer to take in your lunch? Whether it is noodles or pastas or upma, what is your favorite food that mother should give in your lunch? We'll discuss in our live class. Come on, let's start here chapter. What happens with this Samira and what she does throughout the chapter. Let us see, and what happens at the last. We'll see in this chapter. Now children, before proceeding to our chapter, we'll see some new words that will come across your chapter. Let us just see the pronunciation of these words. Here we have noodles. Noodles, that is your favorite food. Upma. Upma. Paratha. Paratha. Tiffin. Tiffin. Courtyard. Courtyard. Crawling. Crawling. Cockroach. Cockroach. Offered. Offered. Horrible. Horrible. Disgusted. Disgusted. Now these are the words that will come across in our chapter. So let us see our chapter. We will proceed with our chapter. I will explain you each line of the chapter and we will enjoy the lesson. Samira never ate her lunch. Like you people, you do not like to eat your lunch. Your mother, your mama have to force you to eat. Beta, complete your food, right? Same way, Samira never ate her lunch. To her, noodles looked like worms, upma was like wet sand, and idli tasted like mud. Today, she had brinjal curry and paratha in her lunch. Now this Samira, she never ate her lunch. Always she used to feel that the food mother gives are not so good to eat. She feels that upma is like a wet sand and noodles are like worms, and then she thought that idlis tasted like mud. Now today she brought brinjal curry and paratha in her lunch, and she is in the school. What happens? Let's see. Yeah, Samira made her face when she opened her tiffin box. Shutting her tiffin box with a bang, Samira went to the school courtyard. Now as soon as she opened her box, and she made some faces and she made a sound yep, like आपको पसंद नहीं है तो आप क्या करते हो? ओहो मुझे ये नहीं खाना, like no, you make faces. Same way, as soon as Samira opened her tiffin box, she made faces and then she said to herself, I would not eat this. I am not at all interested to eat this, and she banged her box like जोर से डब्बे को बंद कर देना, that tiffin box को बंद कर देना. That is called banged. Banged her box and she went to the school courtyard. School courtyard मतलब स्कूल के पीछे की तरफ की एरिया में वो चली जाती है और चुपचाप जाती है और खड़ी हो जाती है गुस्से में. She is not at all interested in eating her food. Now see what happens. A row of ants crawling along the wall said, Samira, why aren't you eating your lunch like all other children? Now row of ants मतलब जो चींटियां हैं, बहुत सारी चींटियां एक साथ लाइन में जा रही थी. रो मीन्स लाइन बना के चलना. तो ये बहुत सारी चींटियां एक साथ जा रही थी. अब उनमें से एक चींटी ने पूछा, अरे समीरा, तुम खाना क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो अलग बाकी दूसरे बच्चों की तरह? अब आगे देखते हैं. Now what she said? Samira said, I don't like parathas, I don't like vegetables, I don't want any lunch. Of course, why not? One cannot eat vegetables, that ants agreed. They offered her the wing of a cockroach that they were carefully carrying. Now this Samira told, as soon as the ant asked, Samira, why are you not eating your food like other children? Why are you standing here? like ऐसे उससे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि आप यहाँ क्यों खड़ी हो, क्यों आप अपना खाना नहीं खा रही हो? What Samira said? I don't like to eat food. I don't want any lunch. I don't like parathas. I don't like vegetables. तो इस तरह से वो शंट करके अपने आप को एकदम ये करके बोल रही है, मुझे ये सब खाना बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता। तो एंड्स ने बोला यस यस दैट इज ट्रू, ऑफ कोर्स ये बात तो सही है, वेजिटेबल्स किसको अच्छा लगेगा? वो लोग उसके साथ अग्री हो जाते हैं, वो उसके हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हैं। वो बोलते हैं ये बात तो सही है कि वेजिटेबल्स किसको पसंद आएगा। तो उन्होंने समीरा को क्या दिया? उन्होंने समीरा को ऑफर किया विंग्स ऑफ कॉकरोच, एक मरा हुआ कॉकरोच के पंख वे लोग उठा के लेके जा रहे थे सारी चींटियां। तो उन्होंने बोला ठीक है समीरा तुम ये खाओ। अब ये देखकर समीरा क्या करती हैं आगे देखते हैं। नाउ ट्राई, इट इज वेरी रियली डिलीशियस दे सेड। Oh no, I don't want any horrible cockroaches, said Samira and ran away to the big people tree. Now, ये जैसे इन्होंने कॉकरोच का एक पंख उसको देना चाहा चींटियों ने, समीरा इतना मतलब ये हो गई, डर गई और अरे इतनी गंदी चीजें मैं नहीं खा सकती, और वो वहाँ से भाग के ऐसे नो नो करके भाग के हुए पीपल के ट्री के नीचे चली जाती है। वहाँ एक कौवा उसे मिलता है। अब कौवा उसे क्या ऑफर करता है वो देखते हैं। The crow cawing above called, "Hello, Samira. Why aren't you eating your lunch?" Samira said, "I don't like parathas. I don't like vegetables. I don't want any lunch." अब ये जो कौवा है, कौवा ने भी वही पूछा, "Okay, Samira, why you are not eating your food?" Again she said same thing. I don't like parathas, I don't like vegetables, I don't want any lunch. Now let's see what the crow offers. Of course, the crow agreed. Here, I will give you something very nice. And it dropped a half-eaten mouse for Samira. अब ये जो crow है उसने भी इसके हाँ में हाँ मिलाई। सही बात है, वेजिटेबल्स किसको पसंद आएगा? वो बोल रहा है तो तुम चिंता मत करो, मैं तुम्हें इससे भी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ खाने के लिए दे रहा हूँ। और कौवे ने क्या किया, ऊपर से एक क्या फेंक दिया, एक चूहा, आधा खाया हुआ चूहा, उसने मरा हुआ चूहा था, ये कौवा ने आधा खा लिया, आधा उसने समीरा के लिए नीचे डाल दिया। समीरा उसको देखकर जो भागी होगी, वो जो डर गई होगी, ओह नो व्हाट अ टेरिबल थिंग, अरे कितना भयानक, कितना डरावना चीज़ है ये। Keep your mouse to yourself, screamed Samira and ran away to stand near a wall. अब जो है ये समीरा बहुत डर जाती है चूहा को, मरा हुआ चूहा, आधा खाया हुआ चूहा को देखकर, और कौवे को बोलती है ये तुम अपने पास रखो, मुझे ये सब नहीं खाना है। और वो वहाँ से भाग जाती है और एक दीवार के पास जाकर खड़ी हो जाती है। आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है। Some sparrows were chirping and on the ledge of the wall and called out, "Hello, Samira. Why aren't you eating your lunch?" Samira said, "I don't like parathas. I don't like vegetables. I don't want any lunch." Again, when she went near the wall, she stood near the wall. There she saw these birds were chirping on the ledge of the wall. And now these birds also asked same thing. Samira, why aren't you eating your food? Now Samira answered the same thing what she answered to the ants and the crow. She said, "I don't like parathas, I don't like vegetables, I don't want any lunch." Then these sparrows, what did they do? Now, of course, one cannot eat vegetables. The sparrows agreed. Here are some crunchy grains of barley. They are really nutritious. Samira chewed one and made a fist. This is like eating pebbles. Upma is better. Now, these birds offered her some crunchy grains, that is grains of barley. अब चिड़िया तो वही खाएंगी, नट्स, ग्रेन्स ये सब खाती हैं। Now these birds offered her these grains of barley when Samira had one and she could not eat it. She thought to herself, अरे these are eating like eating pebbles, जैसे मैं पत्थर खा रही हूँ ऐसे लग रहा है, इससे तो उपमा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And she ran from there. A kind sparrow at once asked her, would you like some soft juicy worms instead? अब एक स्पैरो जो बहुत दयालु था, एक चिड़िया जो बहुत दयालु थी, उसने पूछा, क्या समीरा तुम कुछ जूसी वर्म्स लेना चाहोगी, जो सॉफ्ट होगा, जूसी होगा, क्या वो खाना चाहोगी? नो थैंक यू, आई वुड मच रादर ईट नूडल्स. अब इन्होंने समीरा ने बोला, नहीं नहीं कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इससे तो अच्छा है मैं नूडल्स खा लूँ, ये वर्म्स खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है मुझे, मैं इससे तो बेटर है, इससे तो अच्छा है कि मैं नूडल्स खा लूँ. Next, what happened? A lazy cow outside the gate of the school offered a bite of some grass to Samira. Samira was disgusted. I don't want any grass. Even idlis would be better than grass. Now, एक cow, एक गाय जो स्कूल के गेट के बाहर खड़ी थी, उन्होंने काऊ ने क्या ऑफर किया समीरा को? इट ऑफर सम bites of grass. The cow offered some grass. Now Samira said, no thank you, I will not eat any grass, better I will go and eat idlis. Idlis are far better eating this grass. Samira ran back to her classroom and opened her lunch box. How nice my parathas and brinjal curry are, she thought, and quickly ate them up. And now see all this incidents, all the food that animals and birds used to take and insects used to eat. She thought, she ran directly to her class and opened her lunchbox and she exclaimed, she agreed that see how nice my parathas and brinjal curry are, and she finished up her tiffin. Children, from this lesson we come to know, we have learned a lesson from this chapter. What lesson we have learned? We have learned that you need to respect all food. You need to eat all types of food. Not only your favorite food, but you need to eat all type of food, and you should see that all the foods are nutritious, so that if you eat all type of food, it will give you make you healthy. See, when she compares with animals and birds, then she thinks what all things they are eating. Our food is far better than what animals and birds eat. So never waste food. You should never waste food. From this chapter we have learned, you should never waste food. You should eat the food what you get in your plate. Beta, many hundreds of children are not able to eat food at least once a meal they are not getting, right? So we should not waste our food. We should eat happily what we get. So children, here I have ended this chapter. In our next video, we will go with new words, and then we will proceed with word meanings of the same words. So children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.